Photoshop? What was its name? Yes, Arshia?
Display program.
Display program. Okay, correct. But these are the one word questions. What was the initial name of Photoshop? Display program. Everyone, please note down and underline. Okay. What do you mean by pixel? What do you mean by pixel? Yes, anyone? What is pixel?
Pixels are the tiny dots.
It's tiny dots. Pixels are the small tiny dots on the screen that made up our pictures, that made up our display. Okay, pixels are small tiny dots or small square dots that made up our image. Okay, next one. Who developed Photoshop? Who developed
Thomas
Photoshop?
Alva
Thomas Knoll. And in which year? And
1987.
in which year? Thomas Knoll developed Photoshop in 1987.
87.
Okay? Yes, Khushi? Who developed Photoshop? Thomas Knoll. And in which year? In 1987. Okay? Now, next question. Which company owned Photoshop?
Adobe Systems.
Yes, correct. Adobe.
Adobe.
Owned Photoshop. That is Adobe. Okay, next one. How to open Photoshop? How to start Photoshop?
Click on Start button. All programs. Adobe Photoshop CS6.
Okay, yes, Himalaya. How will you start Photoshop?
Ma'am, click on Start button. All programs. Click on Adobe Photoshop CS6.
Okay, correct. Give any 4 features of Photoshop. Give any 4 features of Photoshop. कौन से features हैं Photoshop में important? Give small features. Little. थोड़ा बताना है सबका. Give 4 features of Photoshop. Yes, who will give me now? Yes, Jalash.
Interactive features.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it has user-friendly interface.
User-friendly interface.
It do photo editing in lesser time.
Photo editing in lesser time.
We can add as many layers as we need.
Yes, usage of layers is there.
Can create 3D icons.
Can create 3D icons. Correct. Very good. Okay. First of all, user-friendly interface is there. We can create 3D icons. We can use the layers to deal with the different objects individually. Then we can photo editing in very lesser time because many features are available. आपने अभी तक जो थोड़े बहुत फीचर्स देखे हैं सिलेक्शन के लिए आप देख सकते हो कितने क्विकली सिलेक्शन हो सकती है बाय यूजिंग द मैजिक टूल और क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल राइट so similarly we can have the various features are available which will allow us to allow the photo editing in a very lesser time. Okay, now name the components. Name the components of Photoshop window. Name the components of Photoshop window. What are the various components of Photoshop window? Yes, Harman. What are the various components of Photoshop window? Yes, Harman. Can you give answer? What are the various components of Photoshop window? Okay, I think Harman is not present here. Yes, Harman, are you present? Okay, yes, Lakshay.
Menu bar, options bar, document area, tools panel and plates. Yes.
Fourth component क्या बोला आपने? Palettes. ठीक है, palettes. Menu bar, option bar, document area, toolbox and palettes. ठीक है, menu bar is there at the top of the window. ठीक है, option bar is below the menu bar. That will display the various options for your tool selected tool like this. ठीक है, and then we are having toolbox. This toolbox is available, and then on the right hand side we are having palettes, floating palettes. Okay, these are also called palettes. Okay, what is the other name of palettes? What is the other name of palettes? Floating dialog boxes. Other name of palettes is floating dialog boxes. Palettes appear on which side of the window? Yes, palettes appears on which side of window?
Right side.
Right side. Palettes are the right side. Palettes appear on which side of window? Similarly, toolbox is on which side of window? Toolbox
Left.
is on which side of window? That is on left hand side. Okay. Toolbox is on which side of window? That is on left side. Now name the parts of toolbox. Name the categories or the parts of toolbox, or name the kinds of types of tools. Types of tools in the toolbox. Types of tools or parts of toolbox. ठीक है, same question है, name the types of tools in the toolbox or name the various parts of the toolbox. Hanji, what are the various parts of the toolbox? Only 3 hands are
Selection,
there.
selection tool,
Yes, Jasleen, Rudra. What are the various parts of the toolbox?
Selection tools, paint
Okay.
and retouching tools,
Hmm.
view tools, text and drawing tools.
Text
other
and drawing tools and other tools. Okay. Mainly we are having selection tools, we are having paint and retouching tools, view tools, text and drawing tools. Everyone note down. Selection tools, paint and retouching tools, the tools which help us to paint and retouch, view tools, text and drawing tools and other tools. Now if I say categorize the tools. Categorize the tools. Brush tool. It will come in which category? Brush tool comes under the which category of the tool? Whether it is a selection tool or paint and retouching tool or view tool.
retouching tool,
Paint and retouching tool. Okay. Pen tool.
paint and retouching tool.
No. Text and drawing tools. Pen tool is text and drawing tool. Look at the page number 102. Page number 102, where tools panel is explained. Okay. Here you can see blur tool, paint and retouching tool. Okay. Shapes tool. Which category?
Text
Text
and
and drawing
drawing
tool. Move tool. ये तुमने पैसे पहले लिखे. Selection tool. Lasso tool.
Selection tool.
Selection tool. Okay. Text tool.
Text and drawing
Drawing
tool.
tool. Clone tool. Clone stamp tool.
Paint and retouching.
Correct. Paint and retouching tools. Correct. Got it? समझ आ गया कैसे tools आपने learn करने हैं? Okay. Next question is, what are the various options? What are the various color modes available in the new dialog box? What are the various color modes available in new dialog box? What are the various color modes available in new dialog box? कौन-कौन से color modes available हैं?
Bitmap mode.
Bitmap mode,
Grayscale mode,
Okay, grayscale mode,
RGB color,
RGB colors, bitmap, grayscale, CMYK. ठीक है, bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK और lab color. 5 modes are available. Page number 101. Page number 101. 5 modes are available. Bitmap, color, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK, lab color. Underline. Now give the full form of CMYK and RGB. Give the full form of CMYK and RGB.
Red, green, blue.
CMYK.
Cyan, magenta, yellow and black.
Correct.
Magenta,
Cyan,
yellow and
magenta, yellow, black. Cyan, 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 magenta, yellow, black. RGB, red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Okay. Similarly, name the various options of new dialog box. Dialog box में और कौन-कौन सी options हैं? एक तो color modes हैं. और कौन-कौन सी options हैं new dialog box में?
Name,
Width, height.
resolution.
Yes. Name, width, height, resolution, color mode. ठीक है, जो common आपने
Background
use
content.
करनी है. Name, width, height, resolution, color mode, background content. Background content. ठीक है, background content.
एक बार 11th आंसर फिर से बता दो।
किसके?
11th आंसर फिर से बता दो।
CMYK. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. बेटा it is given page number 101. Page number 101 पे दिया हुआ है cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Okay. Okay, I'm going to rub this. I hope all of you had noted down. सबका note down हो गया है? Shall I rub it?
मैम प्लीज वेट।
I think first 7 question तो हो गए होंगे बच्चे. Otherwise take the screenshot. Okay, next question.
excuse me ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am another name of platelets क्या है?
Floating dialog box. Platelets नहीं है, pallets है.
Okay
Pallets.
ma'am,
ठीक है, floating dialog box. Okay, give menu commands for following. For following. Menu commands. आपको menu और option बतानी है. Menu commands for following. First of all, to insert images, to open an image, to save an image. हाँ जी, to insert an image. What is the menu command?
File menu, place option.
File menu, place option. Correct. File menu, place option. Okay, to open an image.
File menu, open option.
Correct. File menu, open option. To save an image.
File menu, save as.
File menu, save option or save as option. Okay. And what is the shortcut key for new open? What is the shortcut key for new open? New.
Control plus N.
For open, control plus O, and for save, control plus, yes, S. वो
S.
same रहेंगी बेटा. Shortcut keys for following. ठीक है, give shortcut keys for following. Shortcut keys same होती है new, open, save के लिए. Okay. First one, new, open, and save. Then we are having magic wand. What is the shortcut key for magic wand? Magic wand tool.
W.
W. What is the shortcut key for magic wand
W.
tool? W. Shortcut key for mark Q?
M.
M. For lasso tool?
L.
L. Mark Q tool, then lasso tool. ठीक है? Mark Q tool, lasso tool. For move tool? For move tool? Crop. Crop के लिए C.
मैम सी
लेसो के लिए L. ठीक है? मार्क्यू के लिए M. Okay. Then for magic wand, it is W. Magic wand or quick selection for both. See here. ठीक है? मार्क्यू M. elliptical mark and rectangular mark lasso tool के लिए L, then quick selection and magic wand दोनों के लिए W. Magic wand and quick selection. Crop tool C. Crop tool C. Okay. मैजिक वॉन्ड टूल और क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल दोनों के लिए आपके पास आएगी W. नोट डाउन हो गया बच्चे? Shall I continue? Okay, now give me the names of selection. Yes.
मैम मूव टूल की बता दो।
क्या?
मैम मूव टूल की शॉर्टकट की।
किस कौन से टूल की?
मूव टूल।
लीव टूल कौन सा है? ब्रश टूल है।
मूव टूल।
मूव टूल।
टूल क्या है?
Move tool. Okay, okay. See here. मूव टूल के लिए नहीं है बेटे, V है। मूव टूल के लिए V है। V. मूव टूल के लिए V. You can add it here. Move tool V. ठीक है? Now name the various selection tools. कौन कौन से selection tools है हमारे पास?
Mark tool.
Marker tool.
लेसो टूल
Magic wand tool.
Magic wand tool. Quick selection tool. One by one. Better one by one. One by one. Prabnur, give answer.
Ma'am, marker tool.
Marquee tool. Marquee tool. Lasso tool.
Marker tool. Selection tool.
And
Quick selection tool.
quick selection tool. Then magic wand tool. Crop tool. Move tool. ठीक है? Do not write magnetic lasso or polygonal lasso because they are the types of lasso tool. So you will write marquee tool, lasso tool, crop tool, quick selection tool, magic wand tool, and move tool. All these are the selection tools. I had already हमने already note down किया हुआ है fair copy पे ये question. Okay, next. Name the four. Name four marquee tools. Name the four types of marquee tools. Yes, Jasleen?
Rectangular mark, elliptical mark, circular mark.
हाँ, रेक्टेंगुलर हो गया, एलिप्टिकल हो गया, उसके बाद
सर्कुलर,
सर्कुलर, वो तो एलिप्टिकल हो गया बच्चे। यस अर्शिया, नेम द 4 मार्क्यू टूल्स।
Circular, elliptical, and rectangular.
सर्कुलर कैसे आ गया?
सिंगल रो,
सिंगल रो, सिंगल कॉलम।
सिंगल कॉलम।
बेटा सर्कुलर मार्क्यू टूल कोई भी नहीं है, एलिप्टिकल है। ठीक है, रेक्टेंगुलर मार्क्यू टूल, एलिप्टिकल मार्क्यू टूल, सिंगल रो मार्क्यू टूल एंड सिंगल कॉलम मार्क्यू टूल। देयर इज नो सर्कुलर मार्क्यू टूल। rectangular, elliptical, single row, single column. Now name the 3 lasso tools. Lasso tools कौन कौन से हैं?
Ma'am, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool.
Correct. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Okay. Okay. What is the extension of Photoshop file? What is the
PSD.
Dot PSD.
correct extension of Photoshop file? That is .psd. Now, what do we call the selected area of the image, selected part of the image?
cropping marquee,
Cropping marquee. Correct. What do we call the selected? What we call the selected part of an image? That is cropping marquee. Cropping marquee, page number 107. Okay. Now, next question.
मैम
Name
एक बार 20 का आंसर बता दो।
इसका आंसर बेटा
मैम 20th क्वेश्चन का।
क्रॉपिंग मार्क्यू, क्रॉपिंग मार्क्यू। ठीक है, पेज नंबर 107. ओके, नेक्स्ट. नेम द टूल्स used for following. Name the tools used for following. ठीक है, to move the selected part of an image.
Move tool.
Marquee tool.
Move tool. ठीक है, to move the selected part of an image, move tool. To select rectangular part of an image.
Ma'am, rectangular marquee.
Rectangular marquee tool, or you can simple say marquee tool. To select the rectangular part of an image, rectangular marquee tool. To select irregular parts of the image. To select irregular parts of an image. Yes.
Lasso tool.
Lasso tool. Lasso tool. To select parts of an image having same color.
Magic wand tool.
Magic wand.
Magic wand tool. Not only magic tool, magic wand tool. ठीक है? Then to quickly select the parts of an image, or in
Quick
which the
selection
selection expands
selection.
outwards towards the border.
Quick selection tool.
Quick selection tool, in which to select the parts of an image where selection expands outwards towards the borders. ठीक है? To select, quickly select the parts of an image. ठीक है, where selection expands outwards towards border. ठीक है, Next question.
मैम एक बार ई पार्ट बता दो, आंसर ई पार्ट का।
Quick selection tool. Quick selection tool.
ओके मैम।
To select the required part. To select the required part and remove the unwanted part.
Crop tool.
Crop tool.
Crop
tool.
ठीक है, unwanted part. Crop tool. To select the required part of an image and remove the unwanted part. That is crop tool. Okay. To select any part of an image. To select any part of an image having straight lines. Having straight lines.
tool.
Polygonal lasso tool.
Lasso tool.
Polygonal lasso tool. To select parts of an image along with the outline boundaries. Along with the outline boundaries.
Magnetic lasso tool.
Magnetic lasso tool. ठीक है, यूज भी आ सकता है और यूज दिया हो और टूल पूछा हो, आपसे पूछा जा सकता है व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मार्क्यू टूल एंड लेसो टूल, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉलीगोनल लेसो एंड मैग्नेटिक लेसो, तो यू आर सपोज टू गिव द यूज. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉलीगोनल लेसो एंड मैग्नेटिक लेसो? Polygonal lasso tool select the parts of an image having straight lines, and magnetic lasso select the parts of an image along with the outline boundaries with curved lines. वहां पर straight lines है, यहाँ पे curved lines है. Then which tool is used to select the parts of an image where selection expands outwards towards borders? Quick selection tool. Quick selection tool. Okay. हाँ जी, क्लियर है बेटा यहाँ तक? Any doubt?
मैम एक बार जी पार्ट बता दो, जी पार्ट।
G part. To select the parts of an image having straight lines. Polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool. Okay, one more question is there. Which key will you press? Which key will you press to make a copy of an image while dragging? ड्रैग करते टाइम कौन सी की प्रेस करेंगे कि उसकी कॉपी बन जाए? To select which key will you press to make a copy of an image while dragging?
Alt key.
Alt key. ठीक है, Alt key. हाँ जी, clear? Any doubt in this question? Images are made up of? Images are made up of pixels. Correct? Pixels. Shortcut key for crop? C. First version of Photoshop was developed in which year?
1987.
1987 by Thomas Knoll in 1987. What was the first version of the Photoshop? Display program. Display program. ठीक है? Correct? I hope now there will be no problem for the test. You got all the questions from this chapter, right? हाँ जी बेटा, किसी को कोई डाउट है? हाँ जी बेटा, किसी को कोई डाउट है इस चैप्टर में? किसी को किसी टूल की नहीं समझ आई हो प्रैक्टिकली? Okay, that means all things are clear. Okay, tomorrow we will do that pen tool and path selection tool. So be on time in the class. Yes, beta.
मैम बुक में मैजिक वैन टूल का दिया हुआ है कि ऑन सिलेक्टिंग द मैजिक वैन टूल द ऑप्शन टूल बार डिस्प्लेस द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस।
हाँ जी, टॉलरेंस, एंटी अलायंस एंड कंटीजियस।
यस मैम। मैम ये भी आ सकता है।
हाँ जी, आ सकता है। ये ऑप्शंस बेटा हर टूल के लिए चेंज हो जाती हैं। मैजिक वर्ड में आई टोल्ड यू, टॉलरेंस में क्या देते हैं हम, वी गिव द नंबर सो दैट इट कैन स्पेसिफाई कि हाउ क्लोज द कलर शुड बी सेलेक्टेड, हाउ क्लोज द कलर शुड बी सेलेक्टेड। ठीक है, तो कितना क्लोज होना चाहिए जो मैजिक वर्ड से सेम कलर सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, शेड्स में कितना डिफरेंस वेरिएशन को वो सेलेक्ट करे या बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट सेम करे। जितना टॉलरेंस की वैल्यू कम देंगे उतना सेम कलर सेलेक्ट करेगा, टॉलरेंस की वैल्यू ज्यादा दे देंगे तो मिलते जुलते शेड्स भी सेलेक्ट करता जाएगा सिंगल क्लिक से। दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टॉलरेंस।
और किसी
कंटीजियस
का
का
भी आ
मतलब होता
सकता
है,
है।
सुन लो, कंटीजियस का मतलब क्या होता है कि कंटीजियस ऑप्शन अगर मैंने टिक करी है तो दैट मीन्स जहां मैंने क्लिक करा जिस पिक्सल पे, कंटीजियस मीन्स कि इसके आसपास का एरिया, एडजेसेंट एरिया, इसके साथ के जो पिक्सल्स हैं जो टच कर रहे हैं सिर्फ वो सेलेक्ट हो। अगर कंटीजियस को डीसेलेक्ट कर देंगे तो दैट मीन्स पूरी इमेज में जहां जहां सेम कलर के पिक्सल्स हैं वो सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे, दैट इज कंटीजियस। ओके, हाँ जी।
यस
और
मैम। और किसी का आ सकता है।
नहीं, बाकियों का बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ तो नहीं आएगा।
ओके।
ओके, ओके, दैट्स ऑल
यस
फॉर
मैम।
टुडे।